Hey everyone, back here at the North Street Hingham renovation project, and I'm just going to give you a quick update on where we are today. All right, so we're inside on the first floor now, and you can just see how wide open this is now with all the walls gone. Everything has been drywalled and plastered, so it's going to have a nice smooth finish. The stairs still have to get done. All the way up, new railing and new stairs, new treads, but everything has been boxed in. The steel beam has been boxed in and drywalled, plastered. As you can see on the floor, kitchen floor, the subflooring was replaced, and anywhere where there was a wall, new plywood went in. So new hardwoods are going to go in over this. It's ready for all the trim work, the crown molding and the baseboard. And the kitchen has arrived. It's in a trailer, so that's going to be going in the next week or two. All the recessed lighting is in. This is going to be a little pantry here. They opened up this. This was quite a project too, because this addition was was an exterior wall, so they actually had to get an engineered beam for this to open it up this width. So, but it made such a difference to be able to come in and walk into this room. So, and then this is the first floor bath here. Really high ceiling in here, and then this is where the washer and dryer is going to go on the first floor. All right, so we're up here on the second floor now, and again, everything's been drywalled and plastered. Plaster's still drying. You can see it's not cured yet, just by the color, but got a new window in here, a couple of new Anderson windows. This is going to be a walk-in closet here. Again, this is a fairly small 1,600 square foot farmhouse, so trying to work with every square inch. There's going to be a nice tiled shower in here. This is ready for the tile. And again, another new window here. All new electrical, all new plumbing, all new heating, baseboard, hot water. 3 bedrooms, and all new hardwood up here as well. So it's coming along. We're rounding the bend here for the finished work, the trim work and moldings, get the bathroom, the kitchen in and everything. So should be coming along in the next 3-4 weeks. It should be complete. So that's the update from here. We'll check in with you next week.